Fuel filters. These are the inline fuel filters, and it's called the primary one. I have a few of them. I run my car off of waste cooking oil, so this is something you change on occasion more than if you were just running straight diesel. So it's just a degreaser. Got it from the Dollar Tree. It was $1. As you can see, I got quite a few of them. This one I've already cleaned. Came out pretty good. Might be a couple little spots on there, and it's a little discolored from the oil. So basically just spray it in there into that end, let it sit for a while. Just put a bunch in there and just let it sit for a couple days and shake. A little bit of work, but if you're running your car off cooking oil, you'll need these things, believe me. Also scrubbed it, the outside of it, with this kind of scrubber. That helps. But basically it's just repeating, shaking it, letting it sit, and you'll get them. As you can see, this one's coming along, so I'll shake it up, and then once you do it, you'll blow on this end to get it out, and then just keep doing it over and over. This one's coming pretty clean. It's getting there. I'm gonna let this one sit. That'll be the next one. Just fill it and let it sit.